is Timberline Drive. Trying to see how green looking she's looking over this way. Starting to get really nice and green over here. The sides. Good morning, beautiful people. It is a rainy day here in Fort McMurray, and I'll take it. Anything to keep the forest fires away. It's +9 right now, and it's supposed to get up to a high of 11 today. So, yeah. See? Some of the buds are coming out on the trees. It's exciting to see. I love it when nature clears up all the old winter stuff. Unfortunately, like me, I have to get out and clean my lawn. There's stuff all over it. I don't know where it all come from, but it is what it is. Some lawns are already right nice and green. Oh my world. So beautiful though. So yesterday I had my dog outside. It was so funny. Oh my world. There was a magpie out there, and this little bird kept bugging Bella. Oh my. As soon as Bella would run up to her, she'd take off again. Oh my. And it didn't dawn on me. I was watching it play out, right? And it didn't dawn on me to get the camera. And finally when I got the camera, then of course it was too late. The bird had taken off. Oh my. Yeah. Well, I'm on my way over to the Blue Building here in Thickwood this morning. Well, the Thickwood Medical Center. I've been having home care come in twice a week to clean the wound on my leg and to clean it up, and now they're saying, well, you can come to us. So much for the name home care. So I said, well, I'll try it out, but I have to be out of there by a certain time. So I'm supposed to start work I'm supposed to be there for 10 o'clock. And it is 9:40, as you can see. And we'll see how it goes. Because I'm not going to be waiting around, because I have to go to work. And I have to go back home and change. There's the building I have to go to in. Yikes. I hate going to this place. Oh, I hate it. You got these ramps and stairs and I just don't like it. Well, folks, I just finished my home care. Bit of a better co-band on than I previously had on before. Seems like they're just going around the block. hope where everyone is today that they have a wonderful and great day, no matter where you are. And if it's raining, it's all good, right? We all need rain in our life. Keep forest fires and stuff away. It's the time of year. April showers bring May flowers, but we're already, I think, in May, right? So we're behind the 8 ball. But anyway, folks, wherever you are today, I hope you have a wonderful and great day. Remember, go see your moms and your dads, and love your spouses and your children, and go see a friend. If you haven't seen your friend in a while, go see them. And as I always say every day, please say hi to somebody that you may not know and smile at them, because you may be the only sunshine in their day. And we all need someone to say hello to us every once in a while, right? Anyway, folks, take care. God bless, and we'll see you, God willing, in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.